What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Of course, we're back at it again with another vlog. It's your M3E, and of course today is the 24th, and like the rest of the world is now celebrating the December 24th or Christmas Eve, and of course getting prepared for December 25th. And I'd like to take this time and opportunity to thank each and every one of you on behalf of our M3E team. Would like to wish you all a very happy new year. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I would like to also thank you for your unwavering love and support. We ask that you would continue to do the same thing, and please just continue to watch our vlog and just show your support and love. Anyway, what's up, guys? So, long time no see, we missed you. Anyway, so right now I'm starting the vlog just sitting in the room. Of course, we're waiting for everybody, the rest of the family, to come over. And you know, guys, it's been a while since we last did a prank on the boys, or of course mommy. So I'm gonna see if I can do a prank right now, or just you know, what better way to start the Christmas vlog than just to do a prank. And it's really not going to be a prank. It's probably just something small, but we've done it before. Yeah, we're gonna do a pie in the face. So I just thought that it's gonna be funny, and just to kind of cheer up this Christmas spirit, and to get somebody filled with pie or some whipped cream. I bought some whipped cream today, so right now I have some whipped cream hidden in the bathroom. So hopefully whoever comes in that bathroom back right behind me, I'm sorry, but you're getting a pie in the face. So Marlson, Elston, Mars, come on up. I'll be waiting for you. Or mommy, I'm sorry guys, but I gotta do this for the M3E team. Right, guys? So if you guys think that I'm gonna succeed in this prank, let's go ahead and give this video some likes, and yeah, let's do this. So yeah, before we let's go ahead and wait and see what's gonna happen. But in the meantime, I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day, and hope you guys are enjoying your time with your family. So yeah, see you guys in the field. What up, people? Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Today is Christmas Eve, so.
What's up, gringo?
I can't wait until the
Hey, amigos.
What's
up, amigos? What's up, guys? Welcome back. Alright, so we're back from the long wait. I do apologize because our battery died. So that's why it only showed the very end of the prank. But here we are after the prank. That was a really good one. It's not a lot, but it's a good one. Anyway, so the families are here, so we're just about to start the vlog, our celebration.
Christmas Eve.
So everybody's here. Anyway, I gotta take the camera because my cameraman is shaking right now. He's not really strong. So,
what up, guys?
Alright, so yeah. Go ahead. So, what up?
Hi, guys. It's me again.
Okay.
it's the best day ever.
Okay.
Except my birthday. My birthday.
Why is it the best day?
Because my cousins are here.
Okay, but you don't really worry about the gifts, do you? Like no.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay.
Not at all.
Okay. So what's more important? Elston, go over there.
Huh?
So what did we talk about? All right. So what did we talk about? What's more important about Christmas?
Just having fun with family and be thankful that you're alive.
Okay.
Because some kids out there don't have parents with a lot of money, and they don't buy them gifts. And some people, they don't celebrate it. And some people don't even have a house.
Yeah, that's true. So, well, thank you. That was well said. What about you, Elston? What do you think it's more? What do you think it's more important about Christmas? Merry Christmas. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Okay. So what? So what now? Back to what we were talking about. So what? Is it important to have gifts? Huh? Why?
Because other people don't have gifts.
Okay. That's good. Mars?
No.
You can just talk from there. What do you think Christmas, or what do you think it's more important about Christmas? Is it about gifts, materials, or what? Huh? It's the birth of Jesus and what? So you don't mind if you don't have any gifts or any presents this Christmas? Patabit mi tukor acha.
What do you mean? Language.
Family and Jesus. Okay, that's good. What? Well, thank you. And what about you? What about the rest? So let me ask those three girls over there, since you guys are so like making styles. And so let's start on the left. Kamara, what is it that you're more thankful about this Christmas, or what are your thoughts about Christmas?
I thought about Christmas is that Christmas is not all about presents.
Okay.
It's about celebrating the birth of Jesus
Uh-huh.
and spending time with your family.
That's good. And you, Celine? What are your thoughts about Christmas? Look at that one. She's not even paying attention. Cece, what are you so excited about?
No, I'm trying to figure out my religion.
Okay, so let's go. Do you mind speak up a little bit? Come on, guys.
You gotta go.
No, you said visit.
About Christmas.
I was looking for it like when I was up there.
Yo, this guy burned down. He's chewing on my back.
Hey, listen, guys. Listen to.
Christmas was a day when Jesus was born.
Guys, listen up. Listen to Celine. She's talking right now. Okay.
And that time where you get together as your family and celebrate his birthday.
Okay. Okay, let's go with Cece. You think Christmas is just all about food and gifts?
It's about celebrating not God's, Jesus' birthday, and then being together with the family. So, a good time.
And what else? That's it? Okay. All right, let's. LaVarson, do you have anything to say? No? Okay, and you will answer?
Christmas is about
getting together as a family and appreciating what you have and celebrating the day Jesus Christ was born.
Alright, thank you. And amigo? What's that? Time to go upstairs? Okay. Okay, everybody, let's go. Come on. Come on. Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go upstairs because it's about to we're about to go eat some food. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Okay guys, look at hey, check this out guys. See my Christmas tree, my decorative lay. Check this out. Just watch. Look, see? Oh yeah. You know the kids, they're gonna like it. They're gonna like it. Look at that. I can do that. Or I can do this. See? Look at that. Look at that. See? Okay. Anyway guys, so we're done eating. So right now we're just gonna wait for everybody to finish off. Then we start on the desserts, and then the kids are they're gonna call their presents, and then yeah, we'll just call it a night. All right, so let's do it, okay?
They did that one.
Relax, bro. What's up? You jealous because you don't have one of these? And then one of these? This is the Island Santa. I am the Island Santa. Yes. I came on not North Pole, but I came from the South Pacific on a canoe, paddling here in the mainland. I stopped by first in Mexico, and so I picked that guy up. Yeah. Yes. And so now I'm here in the U.S.
But I'm Mexican.
So yeah. All right, go ahead.
We are older than. You smack it! What's this?
What?
What's this?
Juice? Oh, here I fix.
5 million years old.
I'm Google.
I'm infinity years old.
I'm Google and beyond. Oh, there you go.
There we go.
I'm infinity years old.
Merry Christmas to Janice from Celine, Rawson, Velma, and LaPorson. Open. For the second pick, Merry Christmas to Carter from Santa. Merry Christmas to Carter from Santa. Christmas to Auntie Cara from Santa. Merry Christmas to Mars from Celine, Rawson, Velma, and LaPorson.
want those close? Oh, she's not gonna want the close. Here, I think this is toys.
I knew it. I told you it was. I knew it was Beyblade, but I didn't. I knew it. Where's the scissors? I knew it was Beyblade.
What's that?
Where's the scissors?
Oh, the scissors? Wait.
Like that. I don't know. You gotta come on. No. Right. Look at that. Oh, nice.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. It's the back, Sophie. I can't get it out. I wonder what is this.
Wow, that's cool.
What's up, back here? Apa ito? Apa ito?
Wow! Another Lego costume.
Another Lego set.
I got a snuggly. Wow. What?
That's not fair. Look at you, Kumar. Did you get accessories and stuff too? Nice.
I think it's from the other.
Well, you better tell her thank you.
Wow, what you got, Carter?
Dad, look, I got a camera. Me too. I got I got this card.
Wow, Denise. Look at your...
She doesn't want to open the rest because she wants to.
Gloria.
I know.
That's yours?
Yeah. Look what I got. Sissy.
I only got like 3 things.
Whoa! One more.
What you get? That was 10?
And I have the Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you like this, and before we end this vlog, I just want to say Merry Christmas to all you guys watching, and comment down below what you guys do for Christmas. And thank you for telling people to subscribe to us, because we passed 500 subscribers, so in a couple of videos you might do a giveaway. And comment down below what you guys got for Christmas. Yeah, that's all you guys got. Oh, and shout out to Rawson and LaFarson and Elston for calling out the names. That's all. For Christmas. And Carter.
My man.
Funny.
Alright. Well, okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of the vlog tonight. We thank you again for just allowing us to share with you our time with the rest of the family here. And before we close out tonight's vlog, we just want to say thank you again. Did you guys enjoy tonight's family together? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so once again we want to say Merry Christmas to each and every one. So my first for tonight is Jeremiah chapter 33 verse 3, and it says call unto the Lord, or call unto me, and I will give you all the answers and give you show you all unsearchable things. I like the first because it in whatever situations that you have, no matter
How difficult it is.
how difficult it is, whatever kind of situations you have, whether it's good or bad, always remember to call upon the Lord, so that He is the answer for everything. So that's pretty much what I wanted to share with everybody tonight. So once again, stay tuned for the next vlog. And oh, by the way, the little prank earlier, we'll try to see if we can get a really good prank next time. But huh?
What prank?
You didn't know about the prank? Oh, I guess they didn't know about the prank, so they're probably just gonna have to wait and see what happens. But yeah.
I know what it is though.
That dude. Look at this dude. Oh.
All right, so
Hey.
once again, guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we want to say thank you. Yeah, let's continue to grow, guys. You guys are awesome. It's ridiculous.